Yuji, you got to tell us more about this guy whose internet handle CIS. Who is he? What do you do?
Hi, Angie. Yeah, it's it's a really funny story that we came across. Basically, CIS, it's pronounced CIS. He is a Japanese day trader. He's a 36-year-old guy who basically trades out of his bedroom. But over the last 15 years, he's been so good that he's amassed $150 million. Actually, right now, probably closer to $180 million. My colleague, Jason Clentfield, for this story, he did an awesome profile about CIS last year. And viewers can get on our website and take a look at that. It has a lot more detail. But yeah, he's just, he's a guy, 36-year-old Japanese guy. When he came to the interview for us, it was my first time meeting him, but you wouldn't be able to tell that this guy has $180 million. And, he sat down with us about an hour after the trade finished, after he closed all of his positions. And we went to a coffee shop, and he explained everything that he did. I had been following everything that he'd been doing for months through his Twitter account, but he showed us statements, he showed us documents that verified it, and he kind of walked us through his logic of this trade. While everyone else was getting creamed, in the global markets down up to 15% in some places, this guy made $34 million, he claims, basically in one wild night.